Hey guys, this is Professor Miithyl and I am going to show in this video the 10 things that can double your chance of success. Do you want to know more? Stay tuned on this video. Alright, so as promised, let me share with you the 10 things. Point number 1. Create goals and come up with strategies to achieve them. First and foremost, you need to have an idea as to what are the goals that you want to achieve. Those goals needs to be smarter. Stay tuned to know how can you make your goal smarter. But for now, you need to create a goal and you need to find not just plan A, but you need to find many ways where you can go and reach to those goals. Point number 2, make time for building networks. Now when it comes to that, step out of your comfort zone, go and meet people, go to various meetings, conferences, seminars, speak to people, connect to them, go and connect to them with a perspective to learn, the perspective to collaborate, and in the bargain you will get a business too. Point number 3, nurture a lifetime reading habit. You want to know the secret, one of the successful habit done by all the millionaires, billionaires and the successful people on this planet? The one thing what they do is in common with everyone is they are voracious readers. They will read and they will try to update as much knowledge as they can, because they all know till the time I won't learn, I won't earn. Point number 4, do more than what is required. In most cases, people bound to do only what they are paid for or what they think is the max that they can do with respect to either this client or with respect to studies or with respect to anything they do. My dear friends, give more than expected and see the magic. Point number 5, you need to have a positive outlook even in tough times. Trust me guys, even I have my ups and downs. It becomes sometimes very difficult. However, you need to surround yourself with like-minded people like how I have. I have my accountable partners with whom I share my goals. I share with them everything and they make me accountable for my actions. Whenever I try to fall down, they are the ones who hold my hand and try to bring me up. So thank you to all you guys. Point number 6, you need to find a mentor who can give you valuable advice. Yes. However, I'll just go one more point ahead. You need to have two people who can help you out. One is a coach, another is a mentor. When it comes to a mentor, mentor is going to give you techniques, tips, ways how you can do it. However, it is the coach who is going to be behind you, who is going to run behind you, like how you have an instructor in a gym. So the same way, you need to have a balance of both. You need to have a mentor and you need to have a coach. Point number 7, exchange ideas with different people often. Trust me, this is one of my favorite. Whenever I have an idea, I go and share with all my accountable partners. In that way, whenever we are having a discussion on the hangouts, trust me, a lot of points do come more ideas pour in, and universe is there to give you more. Point number 8, increase your exposure to new experiences. I know at first it becomes a little difficult. However, like how we have accountable partners, I also try to help them. I try to bring them out of their comfort zone. Like many of them want to be a YouTuber. So they are scared to come in front of camera, and trust me, it is difficult. There are people who are scared to go and meet new people who wants to do cold callings. They are very scared of that. However, success is where you will find outside the comfort zone. Point number 9, keep equipping yourself with practical skills. And trust me, every 3 months, this is also I'm telling you, that's a huge time, but still every 3 months, the world changes, new skills comes, old skills dies. So you need to be practically keeping up learning more and more practical things so that you stay tuned and you be on the same page with the changing world. And last but not the least, take care of your personal health so that you have the energy to do what you want. And as rightly said, health is wealth. So these are the 10 things that double your chance of success. If you like this video, do me a favor, like it and share it with your friends. This is Professor Miithyl signing off. Bye bye.